Unveiling the essence of Mortality of Nature. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking topic, the mortality of nature. This phrase packs a lot of meaning and is a beautiful example of how English can convey complex ideas in just a few words. Our goal is to unfold its layers so you can understand and use it in your conversations or writings. Let's embark on this exploration together. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into its components. The word mortality refers to the condition of being mortal, or subject to death. It's a concept that reminds us of the life cycle and the inevitable end that living beings face. In literature and conversation, mortality often brings a reflective or somber tone, prompting us to consider our own existence and the transient nature of life. Next, we have nature. This word can have several meanings, but in this context, it typically refers to the natural world around us, plants, animals, the landscape, and the environment as a whole. Nature is often seen as a force of beauty and life, constantly evolving and changing through cycles of birth, growth, decay, and renewal. When we combine these terms to form the phrase, mortality of nature, we're talking about the inevitable cycle of life and death that occurs in the natural world. This phrase can evoke a sense of beauty and sadness, highlighting the fragile and ephemeral quality of life on Earth. It reminds us that everything in nature, from the smallest leaf to the mightiest tree, is part of this cycle. This concept can be a powerful tool in English conversation and writing, allowing us to express complex ideas about life, existence, and our environment. It's especially poignant in discussions about environmental conservation, where the mortality of nature might be used to stress the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. We hope this exploration into the mortality of nature has opened your eyes to the depth and beauty of English language expressions. This phrase is a reminder of our shared experience on this planet, the cycles that govern life, and the importance of cherishing and protecting the natural world around us. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. May your exploration of English continue to enrich your understanding and expression of complex ideas. See you in the next video.